here's your Good Change guide to cleaning your bathroom in 5 minutes. Okay, let's gather what we need. Fresh towels, a mop, your Good Change Eco Cloth, and your bathroom spray. From here, we're going to clear and tidy our space. Remove those old towels and pop the fresh ones up. Next, start by clearing everything off the counter. A basket is handy, you can pop everything into it. Grab your bathroom spray and generously spray down your countertop. We're going to pre-treat the toilet with the same bathroom cleaner. While the cleaner sits, we're going to head to the tub and give it a quick tidy. Grab your Eco Cloth and give your fixtures a quick clean. Let's do the same in the shower, so pop those products away and give those fixtures a good clean with our Eco Cloth. Let's head back to the loo. Grab your allocated toilet cloth, or perhaps our bamboo rolls. Give the toilet a good clean inside and out. Pop your dirty cloths into your washing pile to be washed. Head back to your countertop and give it a good wipe down, along with giving your tapware a good clean. Grab your basket and put everything back neatly on the countertop. Finish with a quick mop. Make sure to always mop yourself out of the room. And there we have it, a beautiful bathroom in just 5 minutes.